What's going on, guys? And I wanted to do a quick review on this Hamilton Beach Power Elite Action Wave blender. This thing is a beast. Number one thing I like about it is this is an actual glass, which is nice. I don't like plastic in the kitchen, and it's just really nice that this is heavy duty glass. It's not gonna break very easily at all. I like the top, it really goes on well. A nice pouring spout, and stainless steel blade in there, so it's gonna last and rip through anything you want. And these are the buttons. You can do mix, milkshake, easy clean, puree, smoothie, ice drink, dice, chop, salsa, grind, crush ice, grate. Basically, this thing can do anything you want. There's got pulse buttons too, so in case you're like chopping some veggies for salsa or tuna salad like I like to do. But this thing is great. It's got up to peak 700 watts, so this thing is a beast. It's actually gonna get through anything that you need, and this is a great, small, nice, compact, amazing blender that is gonna last. But yeah, it pretty much does everything, and it comes with a little instructional manual, so it goes a little more in detail. But this thing is great, and I love the glass. All right, guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope this review helped.